Try before you buy, navigating offers wisely. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and useful phrase in the English language. Try before you buy. This expression is not only common but also holds valuable advice for consumers and learners alike. Understanding its meaning and implications can help you make informed decisions, especially in a world full of options. Let's explore what this phrase truly means and how it can impact your decision-making process. Try before you buy is a straightforward yet profound piece of advice that encourages consumers to test or use a product or service before making a purchase decision. This concept is widely applied in various industries, from software and electronics to clothes and cars. The essence of this phrase lies in its encouragement of informed purchasing. By trying something first, you can assess its value, functionality, and suitability for your needs, reducing the risk of dissatisfaction or buyer's remorse. To illustrate, let's consider a few examples where "try before you buy" is commonly applied. Software trials. Many software companies offer free trials of their products, allowing users to explore features before committing to a purchase. Clothing fittings. Clothing stores encourage trying on garments to ensure the right fit and style before buying. Test drives. Car dealerships offer test drives to prospective buyers to experience the vehicle's performance firsthand. These examples highlight how the concept is beneficial for both consumers and sellers, fostering trust and ensuring satisfaction. Adopting the "try before you buy" approach has several benefits. Reduces risk. It minimizes the chance of ending up with a product that doesn't meet your needs or expectations. Increases confidence. Trying a product firsthand can increase your confidence in your purchase decision. Saves money. It helps avoid wasting money on unsuitable products. However, it's important to consider time limitations. Free trials or test periods usually have time limits. Terms and conditions. Always understand the terms, especially for returns or exchanges, to avoid unexpected charges. In conclusion, try before you buy is more than just a phrase. It's wise advice in our everyday consumer decisions. It encourages us to be mindful and informed shoppers, reducing the risk of dissatisfaction. Whether you're buying a new phone, subscribing to a service, or choosing a pair of shoes, remember the value of trying first. We hope this video has been informative and helps you navigate your choices more confidently. Happy shopping, and see you in our next video.